Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, the last topic of this chapter is order of precedence of operators. Clear? Order of precedence means sequence of solving the questions. Okay? Basically, order of precedence of operators. Okay? Operators like and, or, relational operators, logical operators, arithmetic operators, okay, all these operators, how to solve if all these operators have in one equations, then what to do to solve it. Clear? Like in math, you have the DMAS rule method. Okay, same like that in computers, order of precedence of operators is the rules that specify the orders in which operations are to be performed in expressions. Clear? Means what will be the first step and to solve the questions. Order of precedence is similar to that used in algebraic formulas. Clear? The operators that has the highest precedence is written at the top. Clear? The first step is that the operator that has the highest precedence is written at the top, and the one with the lowest precedence is written at the bottom. This is the first rule. Clear? I repeat it. The operator that has the highest precedence is written at the top and the lowest is written at the bottoms. Look the table. Precedence numbers and operators. Clear? Increment or decrement operators. Clear? In which we have already learned the prefix and postfix. Okay? First, second one is mathematical divisions will be there. Means in which first we will multiply, division, divide and reminders. Third one, addition and subtractions, and then relational operators. Relational operators means less than or equal to or not less than or equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, less than or greater than equal to. Clear? The next is equal to and not equal to, equal to and not equal to, logical not, logical and, logical or, the assignment operators. Clear? Khatija, you will write the steps. The first steps. First, क्या होगा? Increment and decrement. Second, arithmetic operations. Third one, relational operators. Fourth one, logical, and the fifth one, assignments. Clear? ये numbering कर ले side पे. The first one, increment and decrement. Second, arithmetic operations. ये two steps में. Third, relational. These two are the relationals, and these are logical, and at the end we will solve the assignment operators. Clear? For example, the increment and decrement operators are performed first, then arithmetic operators, then relational operators, after that logical operators, and at the end assignment operators you will be performed. Suppose this is the example. If an expressions contain two or more operators of the same precedence, then the operations are performed from left to right in order in which they are appear. Clear? The first thing is that the increment and decrement operators, if you look, if there's no, then arithmetic operators you find out. After that you will find the relational operators and the logical operators. At the end you will solve the assignment operators. Suppose you have in this equation, expression is 7 multiplied by 10 minus 5 remainder 3 multiplied by 4 plus 9 divided by 3. Suppose this is the equations in which has more than one operators. Clear? what to do when we have more than one operators in same precedence, then solve from left to right. ठीक है, solve from left to right. Okay, so the first step is 7 multiplied by 10, 70. The rest equation will be same. ठीक है, 7 multiplied by 10, 70, and the rest is as it is आ जाएगी. After that, the remainder will be solved. 5, look this. ठीक है, 3 ones are 3, 2 left, 2 is the reminders. Take these 2 and put over there. Clear? And the rest equations as it is. Write down. Okay, the next leftmost is to solve this one. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. 70 minus 8 plus 9 divided by 3. Now in this equations, first we will divide it. ठीक है, ये solve हुआ, फिर ये इसको solve किया and then divide it. The last high priority operations division is performed. Clear? So 9 divided by 3, 3, 9, 9, 9, 3s are 3, 9, 3s are 9, okay, 3. Now the next step is 8 plus 3. No, first we will solve the minus sign. 70 minus 8, 63, 62, okay, plus 3. Clear? So 62 plus 3, 65. The answer of this equation is 65. Clear? I repeat it. How to solve these equations? If we have more than one precedence, then solve from left to right. Okay. First left one, most left sided is 70 multiplied by 10. 7 multiplied by 10, 70. The rest equation will be note down as it is. Okay, then remainder 5, remainder 3. This one is not a division signs. Clear? This one is a remainder signs. This one is the division sign. 5 multiplied 5 remainder 3, 2. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. And then 9 divided by 3, 3. And then 70 minus 8, 62, plus 3, 65. Clear? The standard order of evaluations can be modified by using brackets to enclose part of the expression. अच्छा, अब second one is that, अब look, इसमें कोई brackets नहीं थी. Clear? अब वो कह रहे हैं the standard order of evaluations can be modified by using brackets to enclose part of expressions. Clear? The part of expressions within the bracket is first evaluated in the standard manners. Clear? Means first we will evaluate the brackets. If the order modified by using the brackets to enclose parts. ठीक है? अगर ऐसी कोई situation आती है, तो first we will solve the brackets, and then the result is combined to evaluate the complete expressions. Look, A divided by B plus C. First we will solve the B plus C, okay, and then divided by A. B plus C will be performed first, then A will be divided by sum of B plus C. Got it? If the bracket are nested means loop within loop. The statement within statement is a nest. Okay, complicated. That is, if one set of bracket is contained within an others, the computations in the innermost bracket are performed first. Clear? Means if one set of bracket if one set of bracket is contained within others, okay, first most inner bracket will be performed first, and then after outermost bracket will be performed. Clear?